Okay, in this training, I'm going to show you how you can begin to modify the templates that are available under the create page area. So if you go to my pages and you go to create page, what you'll see is you'll see the webinar page, you'll see sales page, thank you page, opt-in page, and all templates. And what you're seeing here is all templates. Now, we already created a page from scratch. I showed you that in the recent module. But let's go ahead and create an opt-in page from the pages that are already basically almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. So what you'll see here is that whenever you are wanting to change anything here, you'll find that when you hover over this area, you'll find that this tab comes up on the right, where you can duplicate. You add a clock, add the autoresponder. You can add images, change the background image. You can actually change the background color, delete this whole block altogether, or move it up and down if you have several blocks. So when you click here, you'll find that the WYSIWYG appears, and you can begin to modify the things that are here. Okay, and so this is very simple to begin to use. You'll just go ahead and put your mouse here, click on it, and you'll see that you'll be able to put in new words. Okay, like enter your email below for the free training, right? And you can also just put in new words here, like let's see here. Right. And whenever you do something and everything that disappears and you don't know what happened, you can just go ahead and go to the undo button. Okay. And you can actually change the font color by highlighting it, coming here, and just changing the font color. Okay. And now, if you only wanted to get a phone, if you only wanted to get name and email address, and you didn't really want to get the phone, because sometimes people are reluctant to give you their phone number, and that can lower your conversion rates. What you can do is you can hover over this right here, and then you can actually click the checkbox off to show this text box, and go ahead and save. And what you'll see, the outline is red. That means it won't show. Okay. And you'll only be getting the name and email address. But if you do want to get it, you can actually just go ahead and click it back on, and it'll stay on. Now, you'll be able to go ahead and save this page by adding it here. By adding the name, you go ahead and save page. Now, once the page is saved, you're able to preview it. You're able to save it as a template. Go back to your pages. You can activate the properties here to go ahead and put in the SEO. Okay, keywords, the analytics for tracking, live chat codes, and things like that. Change the background color, exit pop-up, attention bar, page, and you can actually put a background video here. And you can actually just go ahead and view it on, what it would look like if it was on an iPad or an iPhone or a simple desktop. It's pretty simple. You'll also be able to change the color of this button or the name of this button, the words on it, right? And be able to just change the button radius, the border around it, the font. You don't want it that big. And there's the button size, and you can also change the height. Go ahead and hit save. Okay. Now this is pretty much it. If you wanted to add an image, all you have to do is go ahead and insert image, in its place. You can select from gallery, or you can select from open gallery. You own a gallery or open gallery. Okay, come down here and just start looking up different things. You can actually add these here, and if this comes here and it's too big, you can actually just size it down. Okay, and it's pretty simple. Okay, you can move it to the right, and make it where it needs to be. All right, so it's that simple to add buttons, to change, modify buttons, to modify the page, letters, and also the picture. All right, I'll see you on the next module.